In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and manage account numbers in QuickBooks Online. This feature is an excellent way to keep your accounts organized and make your bookkeeping tasks more efficient. Let's dive into the process step by step, and I promise by the end of this, you'll feel much more confident navigating QuickBooks. First, let's start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. So open your favorite web browser and type in quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, sign in with your account credentials. Ensure these details are entered correctly to gain access promptly. Being logged in will allow us to customize and manage your account settings. Now that you're on the QuickBooks homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar gear icon, which is often used to reach various settings and tools. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This is your control hub for configuring how your QuickBooks account works. Within the Account and Settings window, direct your attention to the menu on the left. We're interested in the Advanced tab, so go ahead and click there. This section covers a variety of settings, including some more technical aspects. Don't worry if you're not familiar with everything you see here yet. For today's task, we'll focus specifically on making account management easier. In the Advanced Settings area, scroll down until you find the section titled Chart of Accounts. This is where we'll make an essential adjustment. You'll notice a pencil or edit icon nearby. Click on it. Here's the step that many find transformative for their workflow. Check the box labeled Use Account Numbers. Enabling account numbers can really streamline tracking and identification within your chart of accounts. Satisfied with that setup? Great, now it's time to save your work. Click on Save to confirm the changes you've just made, and then Done to exit out of the settings menu. Remember, saving regularly ensures that no changes are lost, especially when dealing with crucial settings. With account numbers enabled, you can now add or modify them as necessary. To do so, navigate back to the gear icon at the top and select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down. This tool allows you to view all of your current accounts. To add or change an account number, simply click Edit next to the relevant account name. Enter the number into the designated number field. Once you've made your changes, remember to save them. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled and started managing account numbers in QuickBooks Online. This feature should make organizing your finances a bit easier and more intuitive. Thank you for following along today. Happy bookkeeping!